how to be resourceful with money, right? So money is a very important part of our life, right? We do all sorts of things to get money, right? You do a 9 to 5 job even though you might not like it, right? Or maybe some odd jobs like maybe something like let's say distributing newspaper for pocket money, right? Or working as a waiter or waitress in a restaurant for just some pocket change when you were a student, like that. So right, so now how do you keep track of your money, right? How do you be resourceful with money, right? Now if you want to become an entrepreneur, right, you really need to look at your expenses on how you are spending your money, right? What are the things that you are purchasing with it, right? If you just spend like everything on some useless stuff like getting a new car, right? Or getting a new bike, or let's say a new house, right? Something like that, when you are not in actually need it as of now. Maybe you can live off in rent as well, right? Now you took a loan and you have these expenses, right? But when it comes to business, you need to be resourceful with money, right? You need to cut off your expenses so that you can reinvest in your business, right? So let me say, for an example, right, if business was as important to you as eating food every day, would you be desperate to do anything to gather money for your business, right? It's just your level of dedication, or you can say that your eagerness, or you're desperate to be successful, like that, right? So let's say if you do not have even the money to buy food, right? So you'll do anything to get that money, right? Because your body needs food to survive, right? Um, you you'll do some odd jobs, or maybe work as a waitress for some time, right? But you need that money to you know um, feed yourself, right? Otherwise you will get weak and you will be in a lot of pain, right? Just like that in business also, you need to be you know uh, that much into it, right? You need to focus all your energy, all your time into your business, and that's how you get successful, right? uh, Even if you are suppose somehow got stranded in a island and you had no money for food, you'll find a way, right, to get some money for food. Just like that, only in business also you need to find a way to get the money required to start your business, or maybe to invest in your business, to maybe start advertising, marketing product, maybe creating product, right? And so yeah, that's about it, right? And yeah, that's about it, right? So how do you get the money for your business, right? So you can take loans from your friends or family, right? So that maybe your family, because friends I'm not sure about it, right? And yeah, you need all the resources you can get, right? You need to be resourcefulness, right? You need to be resourceful, right? So yeah, maybe you can invite someone into your business plan, and give them some partnership in your business, and in return you can ask for their help in something like you needed money for a developer. So you know brought in an interested party into your business plan, and then you asked him to develop some stuff for you, right? Or maybe ask some other person like an investor to invest in your business, right? Like all sort of stuff, right? For that you don't require money, right? You just need to be resourceful. You need to ask other people, right? You don't need to be feeling shy or something like that, right? So initially when I started even I had very little money, right? And I even actually I had enough money to get started with my business, but still I couldn't make the transaction from my bank account because I wasn't authorized to, uh, transact internationally, or there was some limit on my bank account, right? And I asked my father to help me, in order to complete that transaction, right? But it takes some courage to tell your father that you are doing something different. You're starting your own business and it's going to cost so and so much, right? So you need to deal with that also, right? But trust me, if you hide stuff from your parents, right, or your close ones, right, it doesn't go that well, for a long time, right? It just breaks trust, right? And so just tell them what you're doing, right? And ask for money, right? Don't just make an excuse, or maybe tell something which is not true and get their money, right? That just breaks their trust, right? So yeah, and when I told my father that I need the money for my business, when I told my father that I wanted this money to you know develop my skills and start my own business, then after telling him all the facts and all, he agreed. In fact, he agreed in an instant only. I don't know why. Generally he asks a lot of questions, but I said that I would be paying for that, so yeah. But in any case also, you can just directly ask for help, right? You don't need to do it alone, right? So yeah, so you need to be resourceful, right? So yeah, so that is what I wanted to tell you. Okay. And yeah, this video is about it.